Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix vibration not working on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all just simply open the settings. From here guys, scroll it below and tap on sound and haptics, and here tap on haptics, and from here guys just simply turn on to always play, and after that go back and then tap on ringtone and simply tap on haptics, and from here guys just simply tap on default. Now after tapping on it, just simply close this, and after that open settings again and then tap on accessibility. Find here the touch, scroll down, and here you can see vibration. So if you turn off, then simply turn it on, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.